So it's a beautiful day out there. We're heading for, I don't know, about 27, 28 today. I'm lucky I'm working inside. I'm doing another bathroom, and here I'm cutting my floor in for the linear drain. You don't need a wet saw DIYs. You don't do it with your grinder. You know, you don't have to go out and spend a couple of grand or more on a wet saw. No, just do it with a sponge and your grinder, guys. Easy peasy. I've run along there just with a straight edge. That's happens to be an old level of mine that I use for a straight edge now for cutting and that sort of thing. So I've scored it. So let's get into cutting it. See how your grinder and a sponge work exactly the same as a wet saw. Easy peasy. Just turn the sucker around. Always make sure, you'll see me cut right through when I get close to the end. I'm not cutting right through, but you always cut right through at each end, otherwise the corner will break off, guys. I'll concentrate on this end. I'll come here, have a look, have a look. I should have another board so I'm not cutting into my table. And there you have it. So what I'll do now, that will break off fairly easy, so be bloody careful. What I need to do now is just slightly back cut. See how that's broken away? Or cut it when I've cut it. All I do now is I just back cut it slightly, like a half mitre. See that? It's just sort of a half mitre, so when it goes against the tiles, you have a nice join. Oh! I love my job. See that? It fits together nicely. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. You will learn heaps. Right, so I'll back cut. I'll back cut all that. I'll give that one a back cut as well. My hip is still sore, but it's sort of a pinched nerve, and it will come right in time, hopefully. Haha. No, it's still bloody sore. I've still got a bit of a limp. Change weapons. Just give it a bit of a buff up. Oh, woo, woo, woo. Oh wow, dude. Watch out for the fingers, Chriso. You get told off by all the safety people. Out there. Hey, I love it. Alright guys, that's you see how that's gonna, that is going to fit like that, and it's going to have a bit of slope on it, like that. I don't know if you can see that. I might have to just put more of a mitre on that, you know. Oh, don't know. I might just do it while I'm here, because I have a feeling I need to mitre that just a little tittle more. So let's do it while I'm here. Get the plug out of the water. You're full. People out there, if you don't get satisfaction in what you do, don't do it. Simple. Simple pimple. Right, see, I've mitered that, so it'll go against that. That's going to be slightly down like that, like so. That piece is going to be flat on the floor. That piece is slightly tilting down with the shower, so that's going to fit together nicely. Don't break it now, Chriso. Nice one. We'll see you on the flip side on the next round. See you soon.